agreement.
And sterling. So yesterday, after that vote in the Commons, Theresa May's vote on her Brexit strategy, that got rejected. We saw sterling lower. Investors thinking that no deal's sort of more on the cards than it was perhaps a few weeks ago?
Investors don't know what to think, and I'll tell you why. We, like many funds, use algorithms to work out which way to trade, particularly on volatile currencies like this. We've stopped trying to forecast currencies. You should have a computer here instead of me telling you which way it's going to go. I could give you some ex post facto analysis saying, oh, well, of course we expected it to fall. Actually, it's not as, it's just as irrational as having expected it to rise. It really is just the trends that we're looking into in the short term and using algos to do it.
I'll tell you what a computer can't tell us about. Topless waiters, and that's what you're going to be talking to us about later.
Trust me, computers can tell you a lot about things like that.
Moving on, shall we?
Well, you know, there's a trail and a half. Still to come. If you've got a Brexit calendar counting it down, well, open another window. It is just 42 days away.
But it's been a week with warnings from the likes of Ford and RBS over the uncertainty related to the UK's departure from the EU. We'll get more with our business editor, Simon Jack.
Yes, he's back. You're with Business Live from BBC News.